Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most common interview question. What is the difference between a list and a set in Python? Understanding when and why to use each one is vital for writing clean and efficient code and acing your technical interviews. Let's break down the differences feature by feature. Considering mutability, lists in Python are mutable, which means you can modify, add, or remove elements after the list is created. This flexibility makes them ideal for collections that will change over time. Sets are also mutable in that you can add or remove elements. However, they come with a key constraint. They only store unique values. This means if you try to add a duplicate, it will be automatically ignored. Considering order, lists are ordered collections. This means the order in which you insert elements is preserved, and you can access elements via an index. This is especially helpful when the sequence of data matters. Sets are unordered collections. The elements do not maintain any specific order, and there is no way to access elements by an index. This unordered nature makes sets unsuitable when order is important. Duplicate elements. With lists, you can have duplicate elements. This is useful when the repetition of elements is meaningful. Say counting the occurrence of items or when order matters. Sets automatically remove duplicate elements. They enforce uniqueness on their items, which makes them perfect for tasks like removing duplicates or ensuring that every element is distinct. Indexing and slicing. Because lists are ordered, you can easily index and slice them. This allows you to retrieve or modify a subset of elements based on their position. Since sets are unordered, they do not support indexing or slicing. You can check for membership, but you can't refer to items by their position. Considering performance and efficiency, lists are designed for flexibility. However, when it comes for checking if an element exists, lists have to scan through the items one by one, which can be slower for large datasets. Sets are optimized for speed. They use hash table under the hood, which means that membership testing, checking if an element is present, is extremely fast, usually order of one time on average. This makes sets very efficient for tasks that involve frequent lookups. Use cases. Use a list when the order of item matters or when you expect to have duplicate elements. For example, when managing a sequence of tasks, preserving the order is crucial. Set. Choose a set when you need to ensure that all elements are unique and when fast membership testing is required. They are perfect for operations like removing duplicates from a data stream or for implementing mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Method availables list come with a rich set of methods such as append, remove, insert, and sort, which allow you to manipulate the collection dynamically. Sets offer methods designed for set operations. Methods like add, remove, union, intersection, or difference facilitate performing mathematical set operations easily. In the conclusion, lists are ordered collections that allow duplicates and offer flexible indexing and slicing capabilities, while sets are unordered collections that only store unique items and are optimized for quick membership testing and set operations. Thank you.